Do you want to know how you can log in to your IMMI account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your IMMI account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser, go to the Google search bar and then search for IMMI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Australian Government Department of Home Affairs. You can see that there is a login portal with which you can log into your IMMI account. Go ahead and write down your username, then write your password, and then click login, which you can see on the right hand side of your screen. After you write your username and password, click login and then you can successfully log into your IMMI account. If you have forgotten your IMMI account username or password, these are the two links for you to recover your username back and recover your password back. If you don't have an IMMI account, go ahead and click on this link and you can create an account for yourself. I hope this video about how you can log into your IMMI account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.